Hi! Today we will unbox, put together and take a look at these budget speaker stands with upper and lower tempered glass surfaces. These stands can be purchased on Amazon or eBay. There will be some links in the description. So what do we get for about $60 to $70? First and foremost, there are two stands and it looks like they are not so easy to assemble. Good thing that it comes with a manual on how to put everything together. Bag filled with parts and tools. Very cool if you don't have one already. Then the two surface plates. Top plates look very good. And the two more tempered glass bottom plates. Currently it looks better than it was worth. These will probably be columns holding together both surfaces, one larger and the other one smaller. You can actually feel the price here, very thin metal. In the smallest bar there are some other bars that we will probably use to screw surfaces together. Columns for the second stand and that's all. Putting everything together is not rocket science. Take one bottom plate and screw in the adjustable legs. I'll quickly replace them because the quality is too low for me. We take the upper plate and screw in the fixing bar as deep as we can. Use pliers to tighten it properly. We do the same thing with the other bar, but do everything with feelings because plates are made out of glass. Then we put on the appropriate size column. And then we do the same thing with the other column. But you have to play with it a little bit to properly put it on. Then on both columns place the cover caps and plastic flat washers, and screw in both nuts. Tighten the nuts with feelings, as the glass base can break. The original support legs are rubbish, so I'd recommend replacing them with some stand spikes to improve overall performance. There are many variations of speaker stand spikes, just choose the one you prefer. Flip the stand upside down and repeat all these steps with the other stand. Here's the result, two bookshelf speaker stands. Well, they look good for their money, even more than good. I'm satisfied with the purchase because putting bookshelf speakers on a desk or section shelf is a thing of the past. But there are a number of disadvantages that can be improved with small amounts of money. The first thing I mentioned is the adjustable speaker legs are poor quality and unstable. They should be replaced with spike legs. Second thing, these stands are about 3 to 4 times lighter than real metal stands that cost $200. In one of the videos we'll solve this problem by filling stands with sand. Also notice some small defects on glass plates where there is no color. But these defects are small and unimportant. Let's remember how much these stands cost. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support my activities. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!